Significant winter weather hit communities across the interior northeast on Wednesday morning, causing at least one fatal road accident. As expected, more than 40 inches of snow fell over the past 2 days over parts of the Great Lakes and interior northeast in the first significant lake effect snow event of the season. The heaviest snowfall was recorded at Constableville, New York, where 42.7 inches landed. All lake effect snow wearing expired at 7 a.m. Wednesday. By the afternoon, the snow was winding down across the Great Lakes, with a few flurries or light snow showers trickling across lakes into northeast Pennsylvania and western New York. Heavy snowfall is not expected through the rest of the Wednesday, but 1 or 2 inches of snow will still be possible. The National Weather Service in Buffalo, New York said that visibility would be sharply reduced during Wednesday's morning's peak travel period with 1 or 2 inches of snow expected per hour. Buffalo police said a winter weather advisory was in place from 4 a.m. and said motorists should use cautions. Wednesday morning was also the coldest of the season so far for much of the East Coast, including as far south as Florida, with New York City reaching the frosty upper 20s. Frost and freeze related advisories are in place from the Florida Panhandle to South Georgia as temperatures may dip again Thursday morning to near or below the freezing mark, which could damage or kill sensitive crops, the Weather Service warned.